Welcome everyone. I am so excited to announce my brand new 30-day challenge called Flexible Body, Flexible Mind. So I've done two 30-day challenges on my YouTube channel, and inside my app, I have the morning yoga movement and the evening yoga movement. And I was really trying to think, what do I want to do this year? I knew I wanted to do a 30-day challenge, and of course that means a lot of daily yoga, but I wanted to do something a little bit different, something that would help us to take our yoga practice off the mat and into the world, and something that would kind of really help us grow as people. Now, I didn't want to reinvent the wheel too much. At the end of the day, I know the data does not lie. The things that you like the most from me and from my channel are my 10-minute morning yoga classes. Those are always the most popular videos that I have. And even though I have hundreds of them already, every day I get dozens of requests for new ones and more. So rather than, reinventing the wheel, this is going to be a 30-day morning yoga challenge with 10-minute morning yoga practices for a flexible body. So this is part one of the challenge, the flexible body. So these are 10-minute morning yoga classes suitable for all experience levels with no props required, and they're really slow flows. So it's not so much about strength building. It's not going to be very strenuous practices. They're more so focused on flexibility and just kind of opening up your body so that you can set the tone for the day ahead, set an intention for your day, and just feel really good in your body overall. Now, what's different about this challenge is that every day you're not only getting one video, you're getting two. So the first video is the Flexible Body 10-minute morning yoga class. And then you're also going to have a second video, which is going to be a Flexible Mind daily challenge. I was really thinking, what do I want to do to make this special, to make this creative, to make this different from just a regular yoga challenge, which I've already done in the past. I want to do something else. And what I came up with was this flexible mind. Yoga is amazing, okay? The physical practice of yoga, these poses, these classes, they are transformational. It can transform your body. It can help you heal emotionally and mentally. It's extremely powerful. But I think the greatest gift of yoga is not in its ability to make our bodies more flexible. I think the true gift is in its ability to open up our minds and to increase our mind's flexibility. This ability for us to be able to step out of our comfort zones and to grow as people. A large part of yoga is this self-transcendence of the mind for self-awareness, mental discernment, and this realization of your highest self. So every day you're getting two videos, a 10-minute morning yoga class followed by a daily challenge. Each day will have a different theme, a different one-word intention. So our practice as well as the challenge will be themed around that one-word intention. For example, the word can be compassion or attune or heal, something like that. The challenges are going to be fairly simple. I tried to only pick challenges that don't take too much time, that don't require too much resources like money or things like that. I want them to be challenges that anyone can do from wherever in the world. And again, that don't take a lot of time, but they're really simple yet powerful ways to do something different, to step out of your comfort zone, to get a little bit vulnerable, and to really, again, take your practice off the mat and into the world. So you'll have two videos every day. I decided to split it up into the yoga practice and the daily challenge. For those of you who maybe are only interested in the daily morning classes, that's fine. Maybe some of you are only going to want to do the daily challenge. If you're really focusing on personal development and spiritual growth, that's a great opportunity as well. But they really do flow very well together. First we release tension from our physical bodies so that we can then become better at releasing tension mentally and emotionally. I really am excited for this challenge. I put so much work into it. I hope you'll love it just as much as me. So this challenge will be live and will exist forever, but we are starting on April 1st, 2023. So that's when the first yoga class and daily challenge will come out. And it's going to come out every day at 6 a.m. Eastern Time on YouTube, on my channel. So from April 1st all the way to April 30th. Those of you who are members who have my mobile app, so I have a mobile app, you can search for it in the App Store. It's called Yoga with Kassandra. This is a paid app. If you are a paying member of this mobile app, you will get all 30 or 60 videos, I should say, before April 1st. You're getting it on March 31st. Everything will already be loaded up for you inside the app. The app is nice because you are able to download the videos and watch them offline. There are no ads as well, and we have a little journaling feature, but it's not mandatory. It is not necessary at all. You can absolutely just participate right here on YouTube. No issues there. I just want to let you know, those of you who have the app, you'll get all 60 videos right away, right before April 1st. Another thing, if you'd like, you'll find a link down below in the description box to be able to sign up. So if you want to get some accountability, if you want to get daily reminders, you can sign up and I'll send you an email every day with the link to the yoga class as well as the daily challenge. And I'm also going to give you a link to our students Facebook group that you can join. So all of us who are doing this challenge will be in this group so we can support each other and, share our experience of how the classes and the challenges are going. I'm going to be doing the challenge alongside with you. I'm not going to do my own yoga classes because that's weird. I really cannot listen to the sound of my own voice, but I am going to be doing the daily challenges, so that should be fun. Believe me, I practice what I preach. I'm going to be right alongside with you. Again, they're fun challenges. Some of it is going to be journaling. Some of it is going to be, I don't really want to give it away, but it's going to be very simple, things that you can do easily that don't require too many resources or too much time. And the yoga practice, same thing, mostly focusing on flexibility, slow flows, trying to make it very accessible, all levels with no props required. So we begin April 1st, 2023. I hope you're going to join me. It's going to be really fun. I'm so excited to have a new 30-day challenge with you guys. I skipped out on it last year. I was a little burnt out. I needed to take time for myself, but now I am energized. I'm feeling creative. I'm so excited for this challenge, and I hope you guys are as well. All the links to everything you need is down below in the description box, and hopefully I will meet you on the mat on April 1st.